Hi, my name is Chelsea from SIB Visions, and today I'm going to show you some of the advanced features. As you can see, we are looking at the detail view for our customer screen. In the detail view, we have certain elements. I'll start by adding a hyperlink. This hyperlink can either have a static link or we can bind it to a field that gives us a website for the particular customer. To do that, we click on the editing pencil and choose the pertinent field, in our case, the customer website field. We can also bind the name that should be shown, for example, the customer's name. Let's have a look at it in the live preview. When we click on a customer, we can see the hyperlink shown as the company name, and when we click on it, we are taken to their website. Going back, we can see the Save button is only enabled when something is changed. If we want it to always be enabled, we simply go back to the designer, click on the editing pencil, and check that box. In the live preview, we can see that it is enabled, although there is nothing to save, so nothing changes. Let's go back to the designer and look at more elements. Under App Elements, we have an Advanced panel and an Advanced Group panel. We are actually already using an Advanced panel, so let's take a look at the editing options. In an Advanced panel, you have the option to position your labels in different areas. Right now, we have our labels on the left, but maybe we want them at the top of the editor, so we simply choose that option. Now, another interesting element is the label control, found under Data Links. Maybe you want to show values from your data model, but you don't want them to be editable. For example, the customer's name. So we put the label control into the screen and click the editing pencil. We need to bind it to a value, such as the customer name. We can also change the size of the font and make it italic or bold. So when we go to the live preview and click on a customer, you can see that the name is quite large. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.